watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be exploring beautiful farmhouse porch decor ideas. If you have a porch and want to create a cozy and welcoming space, farmhouse style is perfect. We'll look at 35 inspiring ideas to help you transform your porch into a charming and relaxing oasis. Let's get started. White wicker sofa and potted plants. Bright and cool farmhouse porch with a white wicker sofa, potted blooms, plants, side tables, and pendant and table lamps. Hanging bench with striped pillows. A charming farmhouse porch featuring a hanging bench with striped pillows, a wicker chair and posts, plants in wooden boxes, and rustic vintage lanterns. Navy rockers and white pillows. Chic farmhouse porch with navy rockers, white pillows, a plaid rug, crates, lots of pumpkins, a wreath and blooms for the fall. Striped upholstered sofa. Cool farmhouse porch with a striped upholstered sofa, a wicker lounger, potted plants, greenery, and lanterns on the walls. Black bench and lots of pillows. Farmhouse fall porch with a black bench, lots of pillows, pumpkins, blooms, greenery, and vintage sconces on the walls. Plaid rugs and potted blooms. Farmhouse fall porch featuring plaid rugs, potted blooms, heirloom pumpkins, potted trees, feather wreaths, and wall lanterns. Wooden rockers and potted plants. Farmhouse porch styled for summer with wooden rockers, potted plants, a sign, and a rug creating a very welcoming and cool space. Upholstered bench on chains. Farmhouse porch with a white upholstered bench on chains, several candle lanterns, a white wicker chair, and some pretty textiles to cozy up the space. Wicker chair and printed textiles. Farmhouse porch featuring a wicker chair, printed textiles, a suspended bench, layered rugs, a sideboard, a watering can, plus blooms and greenery. Black wicker furniture and hanging bench. Farmhouse porch with black wicker furniture, a hanging upholstered bench, side tables, poufs, a striped rug, and pillows. Simple wooden dining set. Large and welcoming farmhouse porch with a simple wooden dining set, wooden benches with upholstery, side tables, and potted plants. Neutral wicker furniture. Lovely modern farmhouse porch with neutral wicker furniture, an upholstered bench and chairs, potted trees, and lanterns. Suspended egg-shaped chair. Modern farmhouse coastal porch with wicker furniture, a suspended egg-shaped chair, a coffee table, striped accessories, and potted plants. Simple wooden furniture and bright pillows. Modern farmhouse porch styled for summer with simple wooden furniture, bright pillows, bold green side tables, and potted trees. Black printed rug and rockers. Modern farmhouse porch with a black printed rug, black rockers, printed pillows, potted plants, and blooms is very cozy. Black wicker sofa with lots of pillows. Modern farmhouse porch with a black wicker sofa with lots of pillows, a ladder, some signs, and a greenery wreath. Daybed addition. A daybed is the best addition to a porch, offering a perfect spot for relaxation and comfort. Black rockers and bench on chains. Modern farmhouse porch with black rockers and a bench on chains, modern black planters, and chic lanterns on the walls. Elegant wicker chairs and potted greenery. Modern farmhouse porch with elegant wicker chairs and pillows, potted greenery and blooms, a side table, and cool lanterns. Wicker furniture and printed pillows. Modern farmhouse porch with wicker furniture, printed pillows, a suspended bench, potted blooms, and greenery creating a welcoming atmosphere. Thank you for joining us. We hope these farmhouse porch decor ideas inspire you to create a beautiful and inviting space at your home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home decor tips and inspiration. See you in the next video.